In this video, we showcase the intricate details and design of our connecting rods at JA Modified. Our precision manufacturing process ensures each rod meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. From selecting premium materials to advanced CNC machining, every step is meticulously executed. Experience the craftsmanship that sets our connecting rods apart. Don't miss it. How much do you know about fully machined aluminum connecting rods? At JA Modified, we use premium aluminum and advanced CNC processes to create high-performance rods. Our aluminum rods offer excellent strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and thermal conductivity, reducing engine weight and enhancing performance. Each rod undergoes strict quality control and testing to ensure reliability and durability under extreme conditions. At JA Modified, we offer various designs of 430 connecting rods to meet different performance needs. The H-beam design provides excellent strength and durability, perfect for high-performance and racing applications. The I-beam design is lighter while maintaining good strength, suitable for high RPM engines. The A-beam design strikes a great balance between lightness and strength. The X-beam design offers exceptional bending strength.